Hey guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing.
Kiana, you ready?
I know I'm late, but September's theme was behind the scenes. First thing in the box is this GLAMGLOW YOUTHMUD Glow Stimulating Exfoliating Treatment Mask. This mask will help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, while natural clay lifts impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. Antioxidants from green tea, smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantly. And this goes for $60. So the instructions say to apply a thin layer to dry skin and then leave on for up to 10 minutes. And it says you will remove in a circular motion to exfoliate. You can use twice a week or as desired, and follow with a moisturizer.
Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you haven't sent me. I think you're truly something special.
Not gonna lie, this started to burn, but it says that the product will tingle and that means it's working, so face came out good. Next in this box is the Georgette Klinger Marula Primer. It blurs imperfection and ensures an all-day radiant finish. It has vitamins of A, E, F, and B, and locks in moisture and protects against visual signs of aging. You should wait at least 15 to 30 seconds for the product to set before applying foundation and makeup. And then they have a tip here for best results. Use a gentle patting motion to help primer fill in areas with large pores or fine lines. Guys, look how smooth my makeup is going on. This primer is an essential step for makeup that looks and feels naturally flawless. Next in the box is this Pinky Rose Cosmetics Multi-Use Makeup Base Sticks. It's a cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, borderline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo to be used together or separately. This goes for $20 and it comes in two colors. One color is Jazz and the other is Hip Hop. I decided to add Jazz to my eyelids as just a pop of color. Next up in the box is this Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. It hydrates lips and leaves a nice velvety satin finish. This goes for $20. So I personally don't like the color on my lips. Makes me look a little ashy, but that's just for me. That's my opinion. But I probably could have did some brown liner, but I just settled for some regular lip gloss. Baby, the last item in this box. I love this one so much. It's the insert name here, Quick Slick Hair Essence. It's a quick slick. It's designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. And this goes for $22.
That's right here.
When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the island all I take when the heavens. You're the sunshine of my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are.
Alright, so we reached the end of this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!